Namaha. Today we are going to learn Samaharah, Dvandvah, Samasah, where we are going to focus on Samastapadam. Well, let's see some key points of Samastapadam. Step number 1. Cancel the Ch Avyayam and Etayoho Samaharah, Etasam Samaharah or Etesham Samaharah. Step number 2. Change the nominative case into Pratipadikam base nouns. Step number 3. Bring each nouns together. Step number 4. If Uttarpadam is a Karantah, then add letter Halantama. If not, then first change the Uttarpadam into a Karantah and then add letter Halantama. For example, Liksha, Liksha, Liksham. Sharkara, Sharkar, Sharkaram. Let's say, here our Samasa Vigraha is Haridracha, Kumkumamcha, Etayoho Samaharaha. According to step number 1, Avyayam Cha and Etayoho Samaharaha are cancelled. Let's move on to step number 2. Here, change these nominative case into Pratipadikam base noun. That's why Haritra becomes Haritra as it is. There is no change. And Kumkumam becomes Kumkum in Pratipadikam base nouns. Let's see step number 3. Bring these Pratipadikam base nouns together. Let's move on to our fourth and final step. Here, Uttarapadam, Kumkum is in Akarantah. That's why letter Halantama is added. So, our Samastapadam will be Haritra Kumkumam. Let's see our second word. Here, our Samasa Vigraha is Dukdham cha, Sharkara cha, Etayoho Samaharah. According to step number 1, Cha Avyayam and Etayoho Samaharah are cancelled. Let's move on to step number 2. Change nominative case into Pratipadikam. That's why Dukdham becomes Dukdha and Sharkara becomes Sharkara as it is. Let's see our step number 3. Bring Pratipadikam base nouns together. Let's move on to our fourth and final step. According to step number 4, Uttarpadam should be in Akarantah. That's why Sharkara is replaced by Sharkar in Akarantah. And then later Halantama is added. So our Samastapadam will be Dukdha Sharkaram. Let's see our last word. Here our Samasa Vigraha is Tilaha cha, Gudaha cha, एतेषां समाहारः. According to step number 1, च अव्ययम् and एतेषां समाहारः are cancelled. Let's move on to our step number 2. Here, change these nominative heads into Pratipadikam based nouns. That's why Tilaha becomes Tila and Kudaha becomes Kuda in Pratipadikam based nouns. Let's see step number 3. Bring Pratipadikam based nouns together. Let's move on to our step number 4. Here, Uttarpadam Guda is in Akarantaha. That's why, according to step number 4, later Halantama is added. So, our Samastapadam will be Tila Gudam. Well, that's it for this session.